please?
Absolutely.
For here?
So you happy with that?
Today is July 1st and we are currently wrapping up the day after work. Evan and Ian are still in Lansing and they're probably going to stay another day. Tomorrow they're going to be coming back with their grandparents and hopefully with Sophie. Today we're going to be heading over to the 1829 and hang out with the Hwang family again and grab some dinner, and then we'll be hopefully just have a wonderful start of the July 4th weekend.